One and Done is a self-adjusting, wax-free toilet gasket. It'll work with a toilet flange that's up to 3/8 of an inch above the flooring, even with the flooring, or up to 1.5 inches below the flooring. The gasket is made from chemical-resistant thermoplastic rubber, which is used in high-performance tubing in the medical, food, and beverage industries. It has a chemical-resistant EVA foam seal on the bottom. The bolts are reinforced nylon with lock nuts to hold them onto the toilet flange, so it's easy to set the toilet without knocking over the bolts. It comes with wide nylon retaining nuts to hold the toilet in place and prevent cracking the base of the toilet. You get a handsaw to cut down the bolts and decorative caps.